Yeah.
I just remembered.
You have had one.
I've had one. In my
You
20s,
lost it out of your mind.
No, it was a bit of a crazy one. In my 20s, very experimental days.
Did you get drunk?
Somebody put something in my drink, okay? And I don't know Tuesday what it was, but anyway, you tell me what happened. No.
Get people and...
No, anyway, we were just telling, so they did this, we went to the pub, had a drink, and then I said, pop something in. And then I still had to drive my Beetle with 13 people crammed in this Beetle. You know, this little Beetle cars. 13? 13. Because suddenly everybody had to get to this place.
And were you complimentous to
I managed, okay, we went on the farm roads. I was living in a commune outside of town, and we got there, the 30 people spilled out. They told me some story like they distracted me, and then next thing, I don't know what happened. It must have been the state of mind I was in. I dived into it was one of those low windows, you know, they've got those big low windows. Dived in, and suddenly we noticed that everybody was all over the place. There was mattresses, and people put the old vinyls on. This is like 90 or so. Somebody, I mean, this is also the farm. You know, nobody's caught up on anything, major technology here. They're playing like Uriah Heep, Sabbath on the old vinyl. Yes, exactly. And there we go. And then because it's like also on the little plaque. So there was my surprise party.
It wasn't so bad.
It was actually okay.
Quite experimental. Not racist.